Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. It is Sunday. Fun day. Sunday, fun day. Um, so we're gonna talk about US30 and we're gonna talk about the dollar. That's what I'm going. Okay. I'm killing my cutie. I'm killing my cutie. I hope you guys had a great week last week. I got you guys in over 3,000 pips. Over 3,000 pips. Anybody that's on my Telegram, after I got off the live, the market went up a few times, then it came down a little lower. We got back in and we rode it. I told everybody, where's that? I told everybody to get in from 33107.51. The market closed. It's up to y'all if y'all close or not. If y'all still holding, the market closed at 33412.01. Well, before it went down a little bit, just a little bit, a couple of pips. That was 3,045 pips. So last week, live that I did, got y'all a very good entry. I flipped one account from Friday from $1,000 to over a $2,500 account. Over a $2,500 account. So if you're not in my signals group, what can I say? But I'm gonna go ahead and get this popping because I'm not gonna be on here long. I don't want no hour long. I don't want an hour long session. I really don't. So here we go. Share my screen. Screen 2, share. This is my Sway account. I put my link in the last few live Zooms that I did. I actually put my link in there for my Sway account. I put the stuff on my Signals channel. I'll put it on this one as well. I'll also put it on this one as well. So anyways, so US30 had some nice targets to be hit. Have some nice targets to be hit. We also caught, what's the name? We also caught oil, and we caught the dollar. We also caught oil and the dollar. But I'm gonna go over the dollar really quick. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna go to daily. I'm gonna zoom in real quick. And I'm gonna go back to the H4 chart. I'm gonna just open this up wider. How about that? They're pretty much looking the same way. So I marked this up on yesterday, right? So I'm going to tell you guys what I see, what my eyes see for the dollar. So, of course, the market went up, made a nice little W here, did a retracement, made an inverse, made a cup, the handle continuation going up. It did a little bit of drop, made a double top from here to here, dropped, came back up, which made this a W right here. Market dropped. The market can go up from where it's currently at and push back up, or it can come down. So this is what I see. I see a possible head and shoulders. I'm going to bring down what I drew up, so you can see it without the actual candles and stuff. this is what I drew up. Come down. This is what I drew up. So you can see it without the candles and the lines and all that good stuff. Uh-oh, didn't even do that. So this is what I see. Possible inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Or that can come down and make a W, as you can see. So if I remove this out of the way, that can turn into a W, which would be a bullish Gartley or a bullish butterfly. If it goes down any further, it would be a crab, a bullish crab. So that's what I see right there. But it also can do a shorter one and not go down as low, which is right here to this green one, as you can see, and then push itself up. So I have this one here, right? So I had it marked up where it was coming like right in here and then pushing itself back up, right? A little higher, yeah. So, and I had it pushing itself back up. So that's what I see in the market, right? That's what I see in the market. That's what I see possibly happening with the dollar. But if we come down to make the W, that's good for us because US30, what I see with US30. So what I wrote, I said, the XY dollar, which is USD, it's actually USDX for European accounts, USDX for European accounts. Current price 104.526, which is the bid price. And I said price will drop to minimum 104.407 or 104.407 or 104.084. Right in here. So this is the green one, all the way to this like pink one over here. And then I told you guys the next lower lows are the 030 to the 3764, right? So the market, these are my other supports coming down. I have my other supports marked up as well, right? So that's what I have marked up for, that's the H4 chart that I had marked up. I marked up the H4 chart. And you can see the same thing on the H1 chart. So the H1 chart, it actually wants to buy back what I marked up. What I marked up, where I said it can possibly go back up when I was doing this markup right here. When I said it will go and then it'll go back up, that's basically where we're at right now. So the market did drop. We had caught it from up here and we've been holding it. We've been holding it, right? So, wait. Oh, I was like, where is my? What is it? Oh, okay. I'm tripping. I'm like, wait a second. I was like, where's my stop at? Oh, y'all forgive me. I was like, no, I was like looking for my, like last week, I did pretty good last week. I withdrew $1,500, right? I did a withdraw, 1535. But my trading history just from that's all my history, right? That's all my history, my deposit, my withdrawal, everything. So but if I go for my custom period just from What are we in 2023? I'm sorry. Okay. I hear you, Pooh. From where you go? That's free. Yes, Pooh Pot. Yes. They're right there on the sink next to you. Stand up and reach it. Okay. So I'm going to say from the first, from 3-1 to 3-6, right? I'm going to go on there and you will see that my trade history, I did pretty good last week. Did pretty good last week. I had what, 4 losses, and out of what, like how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So out of 19 trades, I have 4 losses. Out of 19 trades, I have 4 losses. And it's a pretty good ratio. Exposure, pretty good exposure. So anyway, so it's not bad. I don't think I did bad at all. So anyways, so going to US30. Let me change that back to H4. Going to US30, we did a top-up analysis, right? So I got you guys in. What is this? I got you guys in. Oh, this was a chart that we had marked up. Okay, this is a chart that we have marked up. Let me change something real quick. Okay. So anyways, that was my trade history, right? So I had got in down here and I got, actually, if I turn my trade history back on, my trade history, you will see that this one particular trade, where is it at? This one right here. I wrote it from here to here. This was a 5-cent lot size. And I wrote it from 288.51 to 284. No, 284. My God. What is this? Let me go back over it. I wrote it from 282 to 288. 282 to 288. I had 3 trades that I got in down here. 3 different trades. And I closed them. One was a stop loss and profit, stop loss and profit, stop loss and profit. My is calling me. And I closed them all out here. I had a stop loss there. So I closed them all out. That's when I got that new trade and wrote it up there. So, but most of my trading was done in here, and that's when the market was in consolidation. So that's when most of my trading was done at there and in here. And I got out up higher, of course. Let me go see what Malachi wants. I'll be right back, you guys. Right back. Really quick. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Okay, so anyways, so with that being said, we did pretty good on US30 properties, trade history, gone. So this is the MT5. If anybody wants to, if you guys sign up under me for my SWAY and use my link, if you guys sign up under me and sign up under me for SWAY and use my link, I will help you guys get your chart set up. Just let me know that you signed up under me and I'll help you get your chart set up. I'll get you your candle time. What is that other one? I'll help you get your candle time. What's the other one I use? Oh, it lets you know what's going on every time frame before you get a chance to look at it. And then I don't have the pip counter on here right now, but I'll help you. You guys sign up under me under SWAY. Let me know, and I'll help you get your chart set up. So, anyways, so moving on. I put a buy in before the market closed. I just felt like it. I just honestly felt like it. I was in profit, but I didn't close it. Oh, here it goes. This thing right here. But what I see on the M1 chart right now, currently, what I currently see on the M1 chart is I draw, where's my standard deviation, right? I pull my standard deviation and right in between these trades, right in here. Actually, I'll make that wider. There we go. But basically, the market is basically moving sideways, but it broke below here. But what I saw before the market had closed was what I actually drew up with my trend line. Because they had pushed down some more. The market was up here. I was seeing this right here. Before the market closed. Because it had, the market was basically respecting this area in here. So I actually gotta pull this down some now. So if I zoomed out, I'm basically looking at like a bullish pennant. I see a bullish pennant. That's what I see, right? I see a bullish pennant. So we went up, we went down, we went back up and down. And the next thing I see happening is a push up. So if we get a gap up, I won't be surprised, you know? If we get a gap up, I won't be surprised. And there you have your W. This, if you can't see what I see, let me see if I can help you see it better. There we go. This is what I see happening. About to happen. That's what I see right there. Because this is a double top at this point. And if you can't see the double top that I see, I'll make it yellow for you. I'll make it yellow for you. I'll make it tomato, whatever. Orange, red, whatever. So this is the double top that I see right here. This is part of the M, and this is the other part of the M. There's your double top. When we get a double top, we get a retracement. We call that a harmonic pattern. Bam, just like that. So that's what I see happening in the market. We're going to get a push up in the market. Just like that. That's what I see. I see a push up happening. We can get a break, and then we can get a retest. Or if we're in a strong bullish momentum, we'll just keep going. And then it'll make a new pattern up higher. Okay. We'll get a break, retest. And so now let's go to the M5 chart. All right. So current price right now for US30, bid price 33,400.69, 333.98.33, right? So the M5 chart, turn the line chart on. Turn the line chart on. See that W that I saw? I mean, that M, that's basically that M drawn up. So I'm expecting the market to push up. But this is also looks like an inverse cup right here and a handle, and it can drop. It also can drop. I see a cup here, the handle, and a drop. But it still can come up, retest, and turn this to a double top and drop. What I mean by that is that it can still push up. It can, yeah. Unselect all. So it can go up and then it can drop. So the market can go up here and then still drop. Right? So delete. Coming to the M15 chart. M15 chart, I see what we call a rising wedge. I see a rising wedge. I'm gonna turn that to white. There's a lot of different colors going on right now. Okay, so we got this rising wedge over here. We played around, made a W, retracement, went back up to the top, made a lower high, went back up, retested, made a lower high. That's a double top, a retracement on that. So the market can either shoot up from here, because this will be a retracement on this larger W, and then it can shoot up, or it can gap up, or it can come down. So we got to be patient and see what the market does when it opens. But I see 1, 2, 3. That's like 3 drive. A 3 drive going upward like this would cause a drop. Will cause a drop. And this is the M30 chart. So it started making lower highs. It started making lower highs. As you can see, started making lower highs. So come to the H1 chart. I see a W that was made. This is the retracement on it. It can push back up. Or you can look at this as a double top right here, here, and here, here, and here. As a double top, and we can get a drop. So the market can go into consolidation or not. H4 chart. I see a W that was made, a round bottom that was made, the retracement on the round bottom, which made this a W. So the market can sit here and make a new pattern. So it can make a bullish flag or whatever. So it can, the market right in here can go into consolidation right in this area, or it can gap up. So right in here, it can make a new pattern. And this is the H4 chart. So if I zoom out some more, we can basically call this a round bottom. And the round bottom makes a little small retracement and then it shoots up. Or it can shoot up first, then do its natural retracement. Because if you turn on the candles, you will see that the market did a retracement. So the market can still go up here, and then it can come back down, retest this area, and then continue going up to retest this area. Yep, and that will make a sideways W. That will make a sideways W. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Oh, look at this. Remember that buy I told you guys about last week? And I told you guys the buy was from the bottom down here, and I got you guys in down here. I literally, that's how I made that $1,500 and $1,000. I literally rolled it from down here up here. So my trade history will show that. I rolled it from right underneath here up here. And you guys saw that on my trade history before. Oh yeah, if you guys really want to learn how to use this MT5, I'm willing to show you guys. You just got to ask me. So we already hit TP1. We're like right in between TP1 and TP2 right now. We're right in between the two. Like this is like the halfway point of it, like right here. The halfway point of TP1 and TP2. You can calculate it with a calculator, or you can just do this. So if I calculated it like this with my arrow line, my parameters would be 33175, 33175, 33175.06. which is our TP1, and our TP2 is 33852, 33852.77, right? And this is our halfway point right here. That will be 3351205. So that's like the pivot between the two targets, 33512. 05, right? 3351205. Bam. I already have it there. Bam. So that's what I see on the daily chart. 33512.05 is a pivot of TP1 and TP2. So pivot of D1, TP1, and TP2. Okay. So that's our pivot right there. I'll make that a resistance area. I'll make it a little bigger, and I'll make it more, what is it? What colors have I have? I don't want to use brown. I'll just use red. It's a bland red. Something that hasn't been used. There we go. Okay, so that's our pivot between the two. So bam, 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 bam. That's what I see on US30. We can get a small retracement on the new candle, or we can get a gap up and then a push back down, and then we continue going up. So we're probably going, depends on how strong the bullish momentum is. Depends on how strong the bullish momentum is. We can either push down first, or we can gap up, and then the market can come back down. and then push back up before the market closed for the daily, for the day. So weekly, I still see this double bottom being made. This was basically an inverse cup, and this could be the handle. So let me see, line chart. You see that? That's basically a sideways W going up, like a bullish flag. Like all I see is a bullish flag. Like, turn on my standard deviation, which is not wide enough. What the heck? I'm going to turn on a 2, too wide. 1.65. Okay. You know what? I haven't looked to see if anyone said anything. No, no one said anything to me. Okay. So we can touch the top of this channel, which is 3426836. 3426832. 3426832. 3426832. 3426832. 3426832. 3426832. So that's a D1, no, weekly, WEKLY, weekly, top of standard deviation, top of STD, EEV. Copy. But also where I previously marked up at 268 342 268 342 268. Okay. I think I said that right. Yeah, basically right there. 268 342. So anyways, so the middle of it is basically where I drew this at. The middle of the standard deviation is everything that I marked up on a D1 chart, which is right here. Oops. It's right in the middle. Where I said the market can resist that is basically the middle of the standard deviation. It's the middle of the standard deviation, literally. That's the middle of the standard deviation. So with that being said, we can either resist where we're at, or we can go here, and which is on the weekly, the top of it is there. On the daily, that's the top of it right here. So 3426834. 34268. 3426834. That's what I wrote. Weekly. Okay. Okay. So that's the top of it right there. It can actually be lower as well. Right here. So somewhere in there, which is basically the pivot between TP2 and TP3. It's basically the pivot between TP2 and TP3, where we can get another large rejection at. And that's basically the retracement of this bullish back. So this is a portion of it right here, the entry, the like this is like a 23-38%, like a fifth. This is like 61.8, and that's like 100% retracement, right? So we just got to be patient and let the market do its work, let it do its job. And wow, look at that, nice bullish flag, nice bullish flag. Oh baby, we're going up. Oh my gosh. I just wish I can just pull this up right now. I literally wish I could just pull this up right now. But oh well, it is what it is, where it's at. When the market opens, hopefully don't gap up and kick me out that much of a gap up. I'm gonna get off of here. I went over what I need to go over. I told you guys what the market can do. Y'all have a wonderful one. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, I'm going to put the links in there for my Telegram group, for my Signal, the information for my Signals channel. And love you guys.